Hello, Phys Ed family, and welcome to Field Day Land, Ridgeview Elementary 2024. We got a lot of stuff planned today, so let's go through and take a look at the stations. All right, our first one, Candyland. So we've got the Rainbow Pass, where students are trying to make it all the way down to the Candy Castle without falling off of the Rainbow Pass. This one should be a good one for them. The next one we got is Sorry. So students are going to come up, they're going to have, each person's going to have one dice, they're going to roll. Whatever number they get, they go up to that hoop. Their job is to get all the way to their safe zone, which is at the cone. But if they get to the end, they have to roll the exact number. So for example, if they're 2 spots away from the safe zone, they have to roll a 2. If somebody behind them lands in the same hoop, sorry, they're out, they have to come and start all over. So we got ants in the pants. So 4 different groups, they're gonna take their ball, which is their ant, they're gonna try to throw it into the cup and try to make it into the cups. So for the pants, and they'll collect and see how many pair of pants they can get against the other teams. Chutes and ladders is our annual slip and slide. Students will go down the chute, and then we've got an agility ladder over here. They'll climb back up the ladder and make their way back over to the chute. Don't break the ice, so ice cubes are the crates. Students got to make it all the way down to the other side without falling to break the ice. And each one of our stations has a QR code attached to it, so if you're wanting to know how a station runs, that helps out for the volunteers. Okay, we got Twister. We got 4 different spinner boards, and what's going to happen is they're going to spin their board. Let's say it lands on left foot yellow. They have to use their left foot to go and collect a yellow hoop and bring it back. Next person will spin, and they continue to see who gets the most hoops by the end of them. This will be a fun one. Alright, this is going to be my favorite one here. This is Guess Who. So I've taken pictures of all staff, 4 different boards, and what they're trying to do is inside the bucket there are giant Guess Who cards of the staff, and they're trying to find all 24 teachers that they have on their board. The first group that can find all 24 will be the winner. We got Let's Go Fishing. So students are going to take their fishing net, they're going to try and collect a ball, a fish, and they're going to drop it off into their pool at the very end. The team with the most fish will win. We got Jumanji here. Students are going to start at the cone, they're going to jump off the trampoline over the hurdle into the jungle. They're going to make their way through the rocks and through the forest to get through the rivers, which that water will turn black soon. We got snakes in there, to make it to the top up here and say Jumanji. And we got Operation for our final one. So they have a card here, it shows on the body for Cavity Sam all the parts they need to get. They're going to take their tweezers. Inside are the cards. They're going to pick a card, they're going to go and find the object on Sam. If they can't grasp it, they're going to leave it there and bring the noodles back to the next person. See which team can grab all of Sam's body parts first. So this is all our stuff that we've got for Field Day Land 2024. Hopefully the students will have a good time. Have a good field day, everybody.